Hi, welcome back to V&S Flavorful Journeys. Today we're going to do some pasta sauce and some homemade meatballs. So come along with us. We're going to show you how we do it. And I'll add the recipes that I have. I'll put them on so you can try what we're doing. And just like always, you can add or take away to, satisfy your taste for the flavors that you like. So what I'm going to give you will be just a basic of what I do, and then you can go from there. So come along with us, and we're going to get cooking. Okay, there's our meatball mix. It's all mixed up nice and thoroughly. Make sure you get everything mixed in good so the flavor gets all the way through it.
Yeah, looks good.
Okay, here's my sauce. I got that cooking. Got all the ingredients in there. I'm going to let that keep cooking, get the flavors to work all through that and get nice and tasty. Over here, I got my meatballs. I'm going to brown them up with the recipe that I have with the 3 pounds of ground beef. I got 13 meatballs. I like my meatballs nice and big. I'm going to brown them up, and then I'm going to add them to the sauce to finish them off. So I'm not going to thoroughly cook them in the pan. I'm only going to brown them and then put them in the sauce. And I'm going to let all that cook for, hour and a half maybe. And these meatballs are going to come out and they're going to be so tender and they're just going to melt in your mouth. 2 pounds of ground beef. I got 13 meatballs. I like my meatballs nice and big. I'm going to brown them up, and then I'm going to add them to the sauce to finish them off. So I'm not going to thoroughly cook them in the pan. I'm only going to brown them and then put them in the sauce. And I'm going to let all that cook for, hour and a half maybe. And these
What you doing over there, honey? I'm videoing you with your meatballs. Oh, them are some spicy meatballs.
Spicy meatballs.
Hey. It's starting to smell good in here.
Okay, here I am with my meatballs. I got it all browned up all around. Like I said before, you don't have to cook it all the way through. I just like to brown up the outsides, and I'm going to put it in the sauce and then let it cook in there for another hour and a half. Nice and low and slow. Now, depending on the size pot that you have, you might not want to put all the meatballs into it. I did because it would fit in the pan that I'm using. But you can take some of those meatballs if you want, and you can freeze them, and they'll be good in the freezer. So if you want to split like half of them, freeze them, put half in the sauce, you can do that. Okay, there's the meatballs. They've been cooking for about an hour and a half. They are ready. We're going to have them with some angel hair spaghetti. The good thing about these meatballs, you can have them as an appetizer. They're very tasty. You can have them in a hot meatball sub. They make a delicious sandwich. Or you can have it with pasta. Choice is endless. Up to you. Okay, here's our meatball. Nice and tender. Oh yeah. Yummy. A lot of flavor. Okay, dinner is ready. We got some angel hair pasta with my sauce that I got the recipe for you. The meatballs, they're just falling apart. They're so tender and delicious. And a little salad to go with it. I hope you try it and enjoy. Thank you for watching our channel. We hope you enjoyed our video on the sauce and meatball recipe that we put up. I hope you find it as tasty as we do. We just, looking for you to help us grow our channel. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that little bell so that you get notified when we have new ones. Again, we appreciate that you'd subscribe and help us to grow and bring more content to you. Thank you very much. Enjoy.